Cessna 92 Lima, left side, runway 18, line up and wait. Number 42 Kilo, runway 18, clear for takeoff. Number 2 Bravo Charlie, right side, runway 18, line up and wait. All VFR departures, flighting 150180 at or below 1300 MSL to clear of the Class Delta airspace. Take care all. Number 92 Lima, clear for takeoff, 18. Cessna 6 Romeo Golf, left side, 18, line up and wait.
Yeah, tune Janesville on number 2 VOR.
Okay.
AVL.
Cessna 2 Bravo Charlie, 18, clear for takeoff. Cessna 3, or correction, 3 Victor Charlie only, right side, line up and wait, 18. Got a new audience approaching here, so VFR departures, flighting 150180 at or below 1300 MSL to clear of the Class Delta airspace. Number 6 Romeo Golf, runway 18, clear for takeoff. Yellow high wing, beautiful bird there, left side, 18, line up and wait.
Don't forget to turn your noise canceling on.
Number 3 Victor Charlie, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Oh, wow.
Number 5 Yankee, my twin,
Yeah,
right side,
so as we
18,
take
line up
off,
and wait.
you call out my front traffic.
Okay.
We'll have plenty.
To there, if you just want to pull up to the, or Trojan, pull up to the pink shirt there, thanks.
Like a mental.
Yellow high wing, 18, clear for takeoff.
Alright, heading's bugged. I'm gonna set your altitude real quick. We'll keep it at 1300.
Yeah,
I've got your heading bugged.
Yeah, we're runway heading to the end of the D.
Departures here today, flighting 150180 at or below 1300 MSL to clear of the Class Delta airspace. Take care all, thanks for coming out.
I've got 1003, yeah, we got double bugged on altitude.
Yep.
Twin, 75, clear for takeoff. Trojan, runway 18 clear, or correction, line up and wait. Alright, my military there, number 1, runway 18 right, line up and wait. Trojan, runway 18 clear for takeoff, see ya. All VFR departure is flighting 150180 at or below 1300 MSL, 1300 MSL until clear of the Class Delta airspace. Silver tail dragger, runway 18, left side, line up and wait. My white tail dragger, right side, 18, line up and wait. Silver tail dragger, 18 clear for takeoff. Cessna 119er, left side, 18, line up and wait. Cessna 5, Foxtrot Delta, clear for takeoff. Low wing with the red accents, right side, 18, right, line up and wait.
Alright, fuel pump is on. Feels good. Cool. Mixture rich. Props forward.
Cessna 119er, runway 18, clear for takeoff. 7457.
Oh, push your screen. What's up, screen?
119er, clear for takeoff. Okay, got it, clear for takeoff. Yeah, start rolling, thank you, see ya, thanks for coming out. White and black and gold tail dragger there, left side, 18, right, line up and wait. Low wing, right side line, or correction, clear for takeoff, 18. Number 57 Papa, runway 18, line up and wait right side.
Well, following with Comanche, that means we should
Gold
pace.
accented tail trigger, runway 18, clear for takeoff. Cessna there, white, maybe turquoise, left side, 18, line up and wait.
Alright, let's run. Things good. You got your trim set?
Yep.
Cool.
Low wing, 57 Papa, clear for takeoff, 18. All VFR departures, flying 150, 150 heading 2180, your choice, at or below 1300 MSL until clear of the Class Delta airspace.
Alright, we got good manifold pressure, RPM,
There's
got
airspeed.
airspeed.
These military coming off the north side there, you guys are flight of 4? Affirmative. Perfect, thank you. Turquoise, high wing, clear for takeoff, 18.
Here's coming up. Here's up, Amber.
Alright, we've got our heading bugs.
Yep.
150 to 180. I'm looking up for traffic, so we got our
so
Cessna
we're going
right
to go to
here.
18.
18, clear for takeoff.
We do 180 because we're going that way.
Yep.
My flight of 4 Warbirds, you guys are awesome, man. Line up and wait, runway 18.
100 to level.
Yep.
All VFR departures, we're going to fly heading 150 to 180 at or below 1300 MSL, at or below 1300 MSL until clear of the Class Delta airspace.
Alright, I'm tracking the Delta.
Detail, see you next time. There'll be 4 Warbirds coming up behind you. See ya. Warbird flight of 4, clear for takeoff 18.
Climbing just a little.
Yeah.
All VFR departures, we're going to go 150 heading, flying 150 to 180 at or below 1300 MSL until clear of the Class Delta airspace. Thanks for coming out, everybody.
Fuel pump's coming off.
Fuel pressure cream. Cool, we're passing the Delta.
Yeah.
I'll keep an eye out for traffic.
Yep.
Cessna 639 or runway 18, line up and wait left side. Line up and wait left side, 639. You. Silver low wing there, beautiful bird there, right side, 18, line up and wait.
Madison to our right, which we're not going to be able to see very good.
I mean, I am to your right.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Don't call me that, just call me Maddi.
Oh.
Rockford Approach, Fancy 6057 Papa.
Comanche 6057 Papa, Rockford Approach, Rockford altimeter 3000.
Rockford 3000, we're about 12 north-northwest of Janesville, IFR to Lafayette.
57 Papa, maintain VFR, squawk 5327.
5327 VFR, 57 Papa.
Not ready to give it to us.
Traffic, 6 o'clock.
That's us.
I was gonna say we don't have anybody.
Right.
457 Papa, your radar contact about 10 miles northwest of the Janesville Airport. Altitude indicates 5,600. You're clear to the Lafayette Airport via direct Kelsey direct and maintain 5,000.
Direct Kelsey, direct 5,000 for 57 Papa.
500 level or direct Kelsey.
Yep.
Direct the assignment at
vector about that way.
Mike November via VOR Juliet Oscar Tango and maintain 5,000.
73 Papa, read back is correct, clear direct Simon.
Clear direct Simon, 873 Papa.
Rockford Comanche 57 Papa, if we could deviate right for the cell right to our front, I think we can split between it and the one to the west.
Number 57 Papa, which direction did you want to go, I'm sorry?
About a 200 to the right would work, I think.
Number 57 Papa, fly heading 200.
200, 57 Papa.
So now,
Okay, now it'll.
Headback 3196 Heavy, Rockford's at your 2 o'clock, about 2 miles before you have it in sight.
IMC at the moment, Headback 3196.
Headback 3196 Heavy, roger. Descend and maintain 3,000, and you can expect to turn on to final here in about 5 miles.
Alright, 3,000, we'll expect turn Headback 3196.
yeah, this looks good. We'll just wing this littler build. We'll stay clear of that one. And then once we can see
Yeah, then we can
back
figure out
south,
which way.
yeah, we'll be able to turn on course basically here soon, probably. And there she is.
Look at the solar farm, or the wind farm.
Yeah, wind farm, yeah. Lots of these up around here, and they can be 500 foot tall. And they're not required to light every single one.
Really?
Nope. They just have to light a sample. Turn that one off for a little bit. Yeah, because its battery's up.
60%, yeah.
November 7755, Kilo, contact Champaign, approach 132.85, have a good flight.
So it just makes more sense for us to go in 28.
Yep. So, well,
Oh, no.
they're probably going to give us a straight in on,
Southwest
10.
3869, descend and maintain
unless they've got
10,
other traffic. We're a little far for their ATIS yet.
And November 700 Bravo Foxtrot, if you feel like you're clear of that weather, I can give you direct Spirit at this time.
I'm going to go to St. Louis.
Beautiful.
I guess, forward.
Yeah, you need me to get out and taxi you?
Yeah, well.
Pulling up, I'll tell you when,
Yeah. I mean, I assume basically lined up with this guy. We'll move it if we need.
Okay.
Here. Actually, I see ropes right now. Okay.
Yep, that's what I was saying. Just keep going just a little bit.
There it is.
Probably good right there, yeah.
All right.
Lafayette traffic, Seminole 767 Papa Alpha, clear runway 10 on Charlie 1, heading back to the FBO, Lafayette.